So this is the solutions for lambda is equal to 1. Now we have to find the solutions for lambda is equal to minus 9. Now let us put the value of lambda equal to minus 9. So the coefficient matrix A is equal to 3, 1, 9, then 4, minus 2, minus 3, minus 18, 4, minus 9. Now we have to find the rank of this matrix. So for that we have to make these elements 0. That is R2 implies R2 minus 4 by 3 R1 and R3 implies R3 plus 18 by 3, that is 6 R1.